This is our villa where we stayed in Goa. Nice balcony here. This is a bedroom. This is the living area. This is a veranda entrance. This is all in Pilsreen resort. I mean, not resort, industrial area compound. Or belongs to one person only. For you to sit and put your shoes. And yeah, this is the main entrance of the house. You go in and some old photographs of Goa welcome you, and then nicely decorated place. And you have these are the keys to the house. You have a smart TV and a very fast internet. The main hub, 6-seater dining area, and some nice water bottles, a cubby full of goodies. I mean, supplies, cleaning supplies. This is bathroom number 1. Smart, neat, and this door leads to a utility vent where all the pipes run. This is the bedroom 1, which is very spacious. 2 windows looking outside, and a television and a storage, nicely decorated with lamps and a full-size mirror. Then we go into the kitchen. Kitchen is smart. A lot of storage on top, induction stove, lot of cookware. We had fun cooking here, and there is an OTG oven which we still use to heat our food, and a refrigerator. This door in the kitchen leads to not so used to this leads to the outside area. Washing machine is there, and the road, and a nice bougainvillea tree belongs to the neighbors. Okay, so the water filter. It's awesome water filter. And then we go up the stairs. There's a horizontal mirror where you can see your face, and then you can see what's happening in the lounge area. There you go. This is the bedroom, which you can see from outside. Very well done. It has an air conditioner. Every room has an air conditioner. There's a balcony outside with nice 3 chairs to sit down, have a coffee. The mirror, dressing table, the door. This door takes you to the outdoor balcony. Very spacious, very pleasant in the evenings. Also, you can sit and chat up or have a nice drink in the balcony. This is the bathroom. It's common to the bath area on top. There's a utility window with an exhaust fan. And then this is the master bedroom. Nice, beautiful looking bed, and very spacious decorations, and there's a balcony which looks at the outside world, and of course air conditioned. A nice stylish table and mirror. The toilet, lovely toilet, geyser, and this mirror, which was very interesting, touch screen, which has 3 different light options. Let me switch it off. Okay, another exhaust to the vent. This is the house tour of our Airbnb, Froggies. It's on Google Map, Froggies Villa. Come whenever you come to Goa on a casual stay near Aguada, this is the place to come. Okay, now I'm heading out. I finished our stay here, end the tour. Our car is waiting, and Time to say bye bye to villa number 2.